Is your LG refrigerator leaking, or is the ice maker not getting water? Replacing the water line is a straightforward fix. Most water line issues are actually caused by simple kinks or mineral buildup that you can clear out yourself. Before you start, safety is the priority. Always shut off the water supply and unplug your refrigerator before attempting any plumbing work to avoid flooding or electrical shock. Gather your tools, including an adjustable wrench, a sharp tubing cutter, a bucket for excess water, and your new replacement line. Inspect the connection points and look for any cracks in the plastic tubing that could be causing a slow, persistent leak. While replacing a line is standard DIY, internal valve failures usually require a professional technician to ensure the system remains sealed. Doing this yourself can save you over $100 in labor costs compared to calling a service professional. Disconnect the old line, measure and cut your new tubing, and firmly secure the connections to prevent future drips. Once connected, turn the water on slowly and keep a close eye on the joints for any signs of moisture. Always remember that plastic fittings are fragile, so thread them carefully to avoid cracking the new components. With the new line installed, your LG fridge is ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe for more appliance repair tips.